Hello and welcome to the program. And this month of August, we are looking at what is very critical. Mai Guti had an opportunity to explain the reason why she denied to take or to grab some things from Madzibaba Wicknell Chivhayo. We have seen so many men of God, including Evangelist Mparinga being the latest, Pastor NDLOVU, and so many others. We have seen them stampeding to take Wicknell Chivhayo. They took them without even thinking twice. But we have a woman of God, Mai Guti, clearly standing on principle, saying that whether it's for the projects, whether it's for a personal use, she was not going to take it. And she gave an instruction even to her church members that they were not supposed to take anything from the poisons, from the poisoned pot. And this is the biggest humiliation of this whole year, 2025. Chivhayo and his handlers, they were 100% humiliated because nobody believed Kuti Mai Guti could say this.
And I told her, I said, oh, thank you very much for the offer, but I don't think that I will take it. $2 million US. And you have projects that you see that they need money. But there was no mind and will of God there. I followed my father. I said, thank you very much for the offer, but give it to others and not me. And recently, it was happening in the social media, but it was happening behind me. I did not know anything. The Lord made me not to know it. And they were talking, until another night. I think this man was sent by this man whom I don't even know. I've never seen him. To say, go and plead with Mama Guti to receive the offer that we are giving her. And this man was so serious and wanting to push me into those things. And I said, no, I need to pray. But I knew I was not going to say yes, because my father never walked that way. And then I went and told the day-to-day board at the HQ, I said to them, you will hear people talking about this. I've just heard this. But me, I'm not going to take that money. And I don't want that car, that Land Cruiser, because I already have the Land Cruiser that I've been driving for all these years. How can I look for that? And the day-to-day board thanked me to say, thank you for letting us know, because people were asking us and they were just also saying, we heard. And I said, no, I'm not the person to do that. I'm not going to take that money. They better use it somewhere, but not even on our projects, no. We don't want that. Yeah, there was a need in our projects. But I said, not even in our projects, because we have never seen our father receiving such kind of money. How can we start to do that?
So this is very critical, because when you look at Mai Apostle Guti, she's very, very clear that even though there is a need in terms of their business, in terms of whatever, the day-to-day running of the church, she didn't see the need for them to take Mari Yezvigananda, Maria Kasviba. And also mentioned that she was following the footsteps of Baba Guti. So whether you agree doctrinally or you disagree, it doesn't matter. What matters is a matter of principle that they managed to not to accept money, which is money which cannot be traced, money which was not worked for, which was looted and stolen from the people of the Republic. So that is something which is very, very critical, something which is lacking to our men of God. We have seen other men of God, including the latest evangelist in Paringa. He actually prayed and thanked God and said, "This is what God said." So we do not know if God actually spoke about such a thing. We also, Pastor NDLOVU, a man who a lot of people have been looking up to. We saw him accepting and taking that gift, and so many explanations came by. So that is the kind of people we have. That caliber of people is not only in the church. You go to the politics, we have them. You go to the business sector, we have them. You go everywhere and anywhere, they are there. They are there because they love money, they value anything and everything. So they don't care the source of money. Even chifeve chikauya nemari muchechi kuti ndauya nemari yechegumi yeufeve, they accept this kind of money. Even knowing fully well kuti imari yabva kuchifeve, and say mwari vawedzere pakatapudzwa. So that is very important. That is the reason why we need leaders with discerning spirits. We need leaders who are able to discern this is something. This is so embarrassing and humiliating to Zvigananda, and special thanks to Mama Guti for standing in solidarity with the people of Zimbabwe who have suffered in the hands of these crooks. So this was unusual, but at the end of the day, we have a clear, vivid explanation of why other bold women of God or men of God can boldly reject these gifts because they believe they are not supposed to be coming to the church, whether they are coming for the church projects, whether they're coming for the individual use of the man of God or of the pastor. It's very, very clear that you don't need to take such. So this is it, your views and your thoughts. Let us talk in other episodes and other broadcasts. My sister Spiwe, thank you very much for coming. A very good afternoon. Thank you very much, everyone.